Welcome to Republic Wireless by Dish. We want to help make sure your activation process is as smooth and easy as possible. We're going to walk you through a few important activation steps. Finding and entering your new ICCID number, and then installing your new SIM card into your phone. Don't worry if you don't know what those are. It's a lot easier than it sounds. First up, you'll need to gather your phone that will be used on Republic Wireless by Dish and the welcome kit we sent you. Next, take the SIM card out of the welcome kit. It looks just like a credit card. On the back of this card, you'll find a 20-digit ICCID number. Now, if you haven't already, go to republicwirelessbydish.com/activate. Click the Get Started button and sign in. You'll enter this ICCID number on step 1, which you'll need to do before installing your SIM card into your phone. When you're done, keep that SIM card handy. You're going to need it again here pretty quickly. Okay, now it's time to install your SIM card. We're going to do this in 5 easy steps. First, turn off your phone. Next, let's find the SIM location. It's usually located either on the side, top, or bottom of your phone. You'll recognize it by the small pinhole. If your phone doesn't have a SIM tray, there's probably a SIM slot located under the back cover of the phone. It's usually behind the battery. Now, if your phone does have a SIM tray, grab the SIM ejector tool that came in your welcome kit. What you're going to do is insert the pointed end into the hole on the SIM tray door. Gently push until the tray ejects, then just remove the tray and set it down for the next step. Okay, now you're going to need that new SIM card from earlier. You'll notice this card actually separates into 3 different sizes. If your current phone already had a SIM card installed, compare that one to the SIM choices we sent you to identify which is the right size for your phone. Next, once you've figured out which SIM card size you'll need, you'll want to carefully pop that one out of the SIM card we sent you. If you accidentally pop out the wrong size, don't worry. Simply place the smaller SIM card back into the larger one. Finally, if your phone has a tray, make sure to match the angled corner of the SIM card to the angled corner of the tray. Then, gently slide the tray back into the phone until it snaps into place. If your SIM location is under the back cover, slide the new SIM card into place, put the battery back in if necessary, then put your cover back on. Now, this is important. Don't turn your phone back on just yet. You'll do this once the activation process is complete. If you still need help or have any additional questions, you can visit republicwirelessbydish.com/support, or you can call us at 866-550-9843. And again, thank you for joining Republic Wireless by Dish.